Want to know how to make any girl miss you, even if she wasn't interested at first? In this video, we'll share 6 tips to get her attention and make her miss you. Watch until the end because each tip is important, and some might surprise you. Use them together, and you'll be able to catch the interest of many girls around you. But before we start, I would really appreciate it if you support us by hitting the like button. Thank you very much. Now, let's get started. Technique number 1, don't chase her. Women tend to be drawn to those who don't constantly seek their attention. If you chase after her or always make yourself available, she's likely to lose interest. Instead of constantly updating her or being available for every conversation, take a step back. Give her space to wonder about you. By distancing yourself, she may begin to miss your presence, think about what you're doing, and even feel a bit jealous. Being unavailable shows independence. When she realizes you're not always there, she may start thinking about you more. If she truly cares, your absence will make her feel empty and nostalgic, reminding her of the good times you shared. Some women may reach out just out of curiosity, but if she genuinely misses you, she'll show it. The key is that distancing yourself can trigger feelings of longing and desire, making her think about you more. Technique number 2, show her that you're living life to the fullest. When a woman starts to miss you, she might keep track of your life without directly reaching out. Instead, she may watch from a distance, like checking your social media or going to places you visit. She may not send messages or call, but she'll follow along quietly, making her own judgments. Social media is usually the first place she'll look, analyzing your posts and photos to figure out what's happening with you. She'll notice every like and comment, treating them as clues to confirm her thoughts. If she sees you living an exciting, happy life, she'll be more interested in reconnecting. But if your posts show you're down or stuck in a routine, she might keep her distance. If your profile seems inactive, she might assume your life is uninteresting. It's common nowadays for people to think if it's not on social media, it didn't happen. To attract attention, share positive moments and achievements, but avoid coming across as arrogant. Don't post negative or boring updates. Even if you don't have major wins, showing you're enjoying life and moving forward can remind her she's missing out on being part of something special. Women often want to feel involved in a man's life because it makes them feel valued. Technique number 3, don't fall for her tricks. When a girl notices your distance, she might start checking up on you in subtle ways. She could ask seemingly innocent questions to see if you're interested in other girls or if you've lost interest in her. She might even try to get closer by showing care and attention, but underneath, she's likely feeling torn between hope and fear. Every word and action of yours will be closely examined. At this point, it's important to be careful. You might feel tempted to give in when you see her hurt by your distance, but it's essential to stay strong and respect your own boundaries. If you've decided to distance yourself, stick to it unless she shows she genuinely deserves your attention. Time will reveal her true intentions, so watch her actions carefully. Sometimes, she won't reach out directly, but might try to get your attention indirectly, often using social media to post photos or vague messages aimed at you. Don't fall for it. Avoid liking her posts or engaging with her online because it might make her think she still has control over your feelings. If you ignore her posts, it could frustrate her and show her that you're serious about keeping your distance. She might also start interacting with your posts or leaving comments to get your attention. In this case, stay firm in your decision not to respond. Let things unfold naturally. By observing her actions without reacting, you'll get a clearer sense of her real feelings and intentions. Technique number 4, leave some anchors in her mind. When spending time with someone, be cheerful and join in on activities she enjoys. Try to make these moments special with little touches like jokes or unique nicknames. These memories will remind her of you when you're not around, making her think about you more. This is called associative memory, and it works well. For example, comparing her to a character from her favorite TV show or giving her a special nickname can help her think of you whenever she encounters that character or hears that nickname. It's best to choose a nickname that's not too rare so she'll hear it occasionally and think of you. For instance, you could use a name related to her favorite drink, movie, or animal. This creates a connection between everyday things and your presence. Another effective approach is teaching her something new. Women appreciate learning from a confident and charismatic man. If you teach her something, she'll remember you whenever she encounters that activity or topic. Being someone who can share knowledge makes you appear confident and caring, which can make her miss you more. Technique number 5. make her jealous. Jealousy can be a powerful way to get a woman's attention. When she feels jealous, she might try harder to keep your attention to prevent someone else from taking her place. You don't actually need to date or talk to anyone else. Just posting a photo of yourself with friends, especially if there are other girls in the picture, can do the trick. Tagging them in the post can make her curious and check out their profiles to see if there's more to your relationship with them. The idea is to make her wonder if you have other options, which can make her feel jealous and more interested in you. Technique number 6. Don't show too much emotion. When reconnecting with a girl, it's important to stay cool and not show how much you missed her. Avoid appearing too eager or desperate, as it might push her away. Instead, keep your responses brief and polite. A simple "Hi, how are you?" is enough. Remember, not all women will reach out just because you step back, and some may not be interested no matter what. If she's not showing interest or care, it's a sign you should move on and find someone who values you. Don't settle for less than you deserve or let anyone treat you poorly. Aim for a relationship where both people appreciate each other. If there's genuine interest, these straightforward approaches can help, as understanding female emotions can be beneficial. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment your thoughts below. Watch the recommended video on the screen. Thanks for watching.